2022. I hereby declare this session open. This hearing involves the evaluation candidate for the Superior Council of Magistracy. I will start by explaining why this commission is here, and I will introduce you to those present in the room. We are here to conduct a public hearing in the context of the evaluation process aimed at assessing the judicial candidates for the position of the Superior Council of Magistracy. The Commission is acting in accordance with the Law number 26/2022, and I quote, on certain measures relating to the selection of candidates for position of member in the self-administration bodies of judges and prosecutors, end of quote, and in accordance with the rules of procedure and the evaluation rules of the Commission, which have been adopted by the Commission pursuant to provisions to this law. In front of you, you have the 6 members of the Commission, and in alphabetical order I will introduce them to you. We have over there Victoria Hanley, we have Nadezhda Riptivshi, we have Vitali Miron, Tatiana Raducanu, Nona Tsotoria, and myself, Herman van Hebel, the chair of the Commission. The Commission is furthermore assisted by a number of members of the Secretariat that supports the Commission. Also present today is a photographer, as you can see, who will be taking photographs at the opening of this hearing for the first few minutes of our hearings. We are also pleased to have members of the public and representatives of the media present at these hearings. For those in attendance, please be advised of the following rules during the hearing. You're not permitted to take photographs. Members of the media can arrange to obtain copies of photographs taken by the photographer. You're also not permitted to record the hearing. The proceedings is being recorded and will be available online as soon as possible after the hearing via the website of the Commission, and the address is www.vetting.md. We ask you also to remain silent throughout the hearing, and we all ask you also to respect COVID regulations. Throughout the hearing, the members of the Commission will remain seated, and also you are invited hereby to remain seated during this meeting and during this hearing as well. During the hearing, one or more members of the Commission will put questions to you, and I would ask you to answer them truthfully and completely. Your explanations are of course important to the Commission in verifying your financial and ethical integrity. During the hearing, interpretation between Romanian and English will be provided, and to allow accurate interpretation, I would kindly ask you to speak clearly and slowly. As noted, the hearing, including your statements, are being recorded, and the public parts of the hearing will be made available in both Romanian and English online within 24 hours after this hearing. In formulating our questions, we will take into account your privacy and, where required and possible, the privacy of your family members and close persons. So we will leave out unnecessary details relating to, for example, ID numbers, bank account numbers, addresses of real estate, and the like. For the protection of your own privacy, we ask you, of course, to do the same. I will start with a brief overview of the procedural background of this evaluation, and that will be followed by questions from members of the Commission. On 15 July this year, you submitted to the Commission a 5-year declaration of assets and personal interests. The Commission also asked you to voluntarily complete and submit an ethics questionnaire, and you did so already on the 5th of July this year. The Commission sent you one round of questions on 25 August of this year, and you were asked a total number of 8 questions, including 18 sub-questions, and 6 of those questions including the request for further documentation. Your responses were submitted on 29th of August, and you answered all questions and sub-questions and produced all required documents in response to all our requests. The Commission appreciated timeliness and completeness of your answers, as this has facilitated our evaluation considerably. The Commission did not find it necessary to send you a second round of questions, and also today does not have any questions for you in relation to the evaluation process for your candidacy to the Superior Council of Magistracy. All our questions are fully and satisfactorily answered in the written proceeding. With that being said, I would like to give you now the floor and give you the opportunity to make a brief closing statement already at the end of this very short period. As stated, you're free to make a comment, but you're also free not to make use of that. But I give you the floor if you would like to do so at this very moment.
That's a good day, Mickey.
Bună ziua tuturor! Eu mă bucur
să
mă aflu astăzi aici,
I am happy to be here today at this stage in the evaluation process, in the process of evaluation of the future members to the Superior Council of Magistracy. I would like to underscore that I've been working as a judge since back in 2017 for more than 5 years, and I've been working in the judicial system for longer than 12 years. I started my work as a registrar, and then I was promoted to the position of judicial assistant, and then after the graduation of the National Institute of Justice, I was appointed as judge. Actually, the role of the Superior Council of Magistracy in building the rule of law and in ensuring the act of justice is delivered is huge. Last year in summer, I was in an interview where I was saying that I was not even thinking at the time to run for the position of member to the Superior Council of Magistracy, but I had great expectations from the future members of the Superior Council of Magistracy, so that later only to think that if we want to achieve something, if we want to build a system of justice that is truly independent, each and every one of us must do their part, must contribute. And one way to do it is by filing an application and by running for the position of member of the Superior Council of Magistracy. So here I am today in front of you in the pre-vetting procedure where the judges, the entire society have great hopes about. Because as you know, for more than 4 years, there hasn't been a General Assembly of Judges. And currently the justice system is confronted with great issues. There is shortage of staff. There are not enough registrars, not enough judicial assistants, not enough employees in the secretariats, of course, and not enough judges. The judges have huge workloads, and therefore the future Superior Council of Magistracy will have an important role to play in order to strengthen the trust of Moldovan citizens in the justice system of Moldova, in order to enhance the transparency of the justice system. This is what I wanted to tell you, but maybe along the way I'll add something more. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And then we now already come to the end of the hearing. I thank you, Mrs. Frunze, for appearing before the Commission today. The Commission will now withdraw for deliberations, and a recent decision in your case will be delivered later. As much as possible, the Commission will strive at delivering its recent decision within a month after the hearing today. I hereby declare the hearing closed. Thank you very much for being here.
связи